Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 414 different strategies with 132 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 313 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,050 indicators with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says this trend indicator also shows exact support and resistance levels, Gaussian filter indicator. And so, as far as the claim goes from the source video, I guess you could say that it does give exact support and resistance levels. Maybe exact is a little bit difficult to prove, but nonetheless, we'll put the strategy to the test and see if it can be profitable. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Gaussian filter indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Then we're going to jump into the settings of this one. Under the inputs, the length, you're going to change that to 21. And the sigma, you're going to change that to 61. Make sure these two are turned off there. And everything else should stay on the default settings. And then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend flex oscillator, it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Then jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we're going to do is under the trend flex period right here, you're going to change that to 19, and under the fast RMS period right here, going to change that to 32. Then you can jump into the styles and just make sure that the color 0 is green and the color 0 here is red. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for when we get an orange dot like this here from the Gaussian filter, and then we're going to look down to the trend flex oscillator, and we want it to have a red background. Then lastly, we are looking for the first red candle to appear like this here. And once all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. So you'll put your trade right there. You'll put your stop just right above this pivot area right here. And then you'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Just put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see you just kind of bounce around just a tad bit there and then make this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for a green dot from the Gaussian filter. Then we're looking down to the trend flex oscillator. We want it to have a green background like this here. Then we're looking for the first green candle to appear. In this case, all those lined up on the very same candle right here. And so that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this kind of pivot area right here. And we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a really nice push to the upside here gets us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 13 winning trades and 37 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 26% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,800 for an overall loss of $7,000 altogether. So definitely not a great strategy. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 26 trades altogether. We had 21 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $6,600. So definitely better results. If you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have increased the win rate quite significantly. Your total gain would have been closer to the $12,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So yesterday we closed out winning trade number 42. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. That's 42 winning trades in a row without taking a losing trade, maintaining a 100% win rate. It's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, closing in on almost 3 months of 100% profitability. That's the combination of the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy is a very strong combination, and backtesting it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within your first month, we will give you your money back. You can go to our Discord to read up on the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.